I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Pirago Banaras University. Today, we are discussing about vision, mission, objectives, in particular in the areas of strategic management. First, we have to look after the vision. Vision. In the vision, basically this is the first level of strategic intent. First level of strategic intent. This intent will be used at the time of the model preparation of the strategic management. So vision is a position, is the first position, is a position that a company would like to achieve in the distant future, that is 10 to 15 years of time. It is powerful motivator to action. Like an example, if you have to look after, what is the vision of the Walt Disney? Everyone listen to the word of the Walt Disney. The Walt Disney's vision is to make others happy, मुस्कुराहट के साथ. So it is the category of intentions that are broad, all-inclusive, and forward-thinking. This is the vision approach is to be there. Why vision is needed in the institution? Need vision. Need. Because good vision is inspiring. Everyone should be inspired. Good vision helps in creation of a common identity and a shared sense of purpose. I already told you that vision of Walt Disney is to make everyone happy. So this to be intended in that purpose, whatever the vision is to be there, we have developed that type of purpose. Then good visions are competitive, original, and the unique. And it promotes risk taking and experimentations. And vision and a good vision is promotes long-term thinking. So this is the first intent. Second is mission. This is the second intent. Mission. Second. This is the second level of strategic intent. Second level of strategic intent. So vision is a forward-looking. Vision is forward-looking. View of what an organization wants to be, and mission is an organization is and why it is to be exist. Vision is forward-looking, और mission is what an organization is, क्या है organization, and why it is to be exist. That means mission is a statement that defines the role of organization plays in society. Vision is forward-looking and mission is कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे दिखता है वो, सोसाइटी में कैसे दिखेगा वो. दैट मीन लाइक न्यूज़पेपर सब लोग पढ़ते हैं. ए न्यूज़पेपर एंड टीवी एडिशंस टू बी देयर. तो न्यूज़पेपर और जो टीवी न्यूज़ की एडिटर्स हैं, उनका क्या मिशन होता है? व्हाट इज द मिशन? मिशन इज इंफॉर्मेशन. सबको पता चलना चाहिए व्हाट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन इज टू बी देयर. न्यूज चैनल का मतलब अलग है. न्यूज चैनल का विजन है सब तक इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचे, मेरा बिजनेस बढ़े, जो भी. लेकिन जो एडिटर्स हैं, जो उसको बताने वाले हैं, न्यूज़पेपर का पर्टिकुलर मिशन वाज देयर कि एवरीवन शुड गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाटएवर इज देयर. सो इट इज द पर्पस ऑफ रीजन फॉर द नेशन एग्जिस्टेंस. इट प्रोवाइड्स मिशन इज टू बी इन दैट वे इज टू बी देयर. नाउ दैट मींस वी कैन से डाउन इन द मिशन it should be a feasible form always, because this is the main characteristic to be there. It should be a very feasible form. It should be precise, too narrow. It's not necessary, not too narrow, we can say, and broad. It should be very clear. It should be motivating, and it should be distinctive, unique from competitors there, and indicates how objectives are to be achieved. Third thing is, it is not the vision and mission Third thing we can discuss about the goals and objectives. Goals and objectives. Because for the strategic management, these four words plays the vital role in this. And the four words, goal. What is goal? Goal and objectives represents a future state or an outcome of efforts put at present. Objectives are the ends that state how goals will be achieved. So we can say that goals are generalized and quantitative. And objectives are concrete, measurable and specific. Concrete. In the roles of objectives, objectives define the organization's relation with the environment. It helps an organization to achieve its vision and mission. So, vision and mission करने से पहले we should be very clear about the objective of the organizations. It provides the basis for strategic decision making, and objectives provide the standards of performance appraisal. So, the main thing was there. What is the main objectives? Main characteristics used to be there, because objectives and goals should be understandable. Then only we can say on the mission of goals and objective we have developed our mission, and then we have to develop our vision. So it should be understandable, then concrete and specific, then it should be related to a time frame, whatever the objective was there. And then it can be, because we have already put as a quantifiable, so it should be a measurable form was there. And objective always should be a challenging and set within the limit, because whatever the limit is to be there, we have already created out. Then on this behalf, strategic mission, we have developed our strategic model. This is the, but before strategic model, we should name how the strategic management is to become. So we can say down that the phases of strategic management. Strategic management. How the strategy, we have to reach with the phases. So first, whatever the phases to be there, how establish strategic intent, vision, mission, objectives. याद रखिएगा, intent. Second thing is formulate strategies. We will take up later on what the strategies to be. Formulate strategies. The next, implement strategies. Implement strategies. Then next, strategic evaluation. Strategic evaluation. And it is all things known as, अगर strategic evaluation में हमारी चीज खराब होती है, तो again we have to put down like strategic intent क्या था? Mission, vision, objectives, goals, this. Again we have to check down कि भैया कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ी है तो हम उसे ठीक करें. That is existing strategic intent. We have to check down existing whatever, because established means existing. Established, already established was there. The existing strategic intent was used. So this is the main. This is the strategic management. Or this can be also known as strategic management or the control. Or this is the existing, because whatever the rule is to be there. Now we have to little bit changes to be there. अगर हमारे पास each and everything is established, existing, whatever, so established, you can establish. How we have to check down? phases of strategic management, because these are basically the 4 phases to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 phases. Now, can we add on certain things is to be there? Because in these certain things we can add it here. What things can be added? बताइए. Because existing strategic intent we have mission, vision, objectives, goals, this two. Mission, vision, goals, objectives. This was. तो क्यों नहीं what the thing is to be? First we have to take the SWOT analysis. Strength, SWOT. स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड थ्रेट. कर ले हम इनका सारा, इस सबका, कि अवर मिशन इज टू बी स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस चेक कर ले, विजन चेक कर ले, गोल्स का चेक कर ले, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स का चेक कर ले. देन वी हैव टू पुट डाउन एन स्ट्रेटेजिक अल्टरनेटिव्स. स्ट्रेटेजिक अल्टरनेटिव्स. उसके हिसाब से मे बी पॉसिबल हमारा मिशन ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो हमारे लिए इन द कंपैरिजन टू विजन. So we have to develop accordingly. We have to change the strategic alternatives. Then, after seeing this strategic alternative, we have to put down the strategic analysis. Strategic analysis. And choice. जो भी हमारी को बोल ले. This is the basic model. This is the alternate model. Choices. Then strategic implementation. अब आ गए हम लोग इसी फेज पे वापस. This is and then strategic evaluation. This is the evaluation. So if for the existing organization, if our mission, vision, goals and objectives are already clearly defined, we can change it, amendment, and we can just check down their SWOT analysis, and then after the SWOT analysis we can just rule out, now this is the basic fundamentals to be there. So this is basically the phases of strategic management. On these phases of strategic management, we can develop the strategic process of the strategic management is to be there, or strategic model is to be there. This is like a model. This is the basic model is to be there. We can develop a secondary model also, and that is the model related with the strategic management. So model of strategic management. Model of strategic management. What is the model of strategic management? First, we have established strategic intent. Establish strategic intent. Establish strategic intent. Once again, strategic intent में क्या क्या था? Vision, mission, objectives, business definitions, mission, vision, objectives और business definition. जो भी business आप कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Then second क्या था? We have developed a strategy. Formulate strategy. स्टडी फॉर्मेट कैसे करेंगे? इन्वायरमेंटल एनालिसिस कर लीजिए. इन्वायरमेंटल एनालिसिस, इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर्स लेटर ऑन. देन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अप्रेजल कर लीजिए. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अप्रेजल. Then SWOT. These are the various tools and techniques by which we can develop the formulated strategies. Corporate and business level strategies. Corporate and business level strategies. Or strategic choice, strategic intent, strategic choice. हमें करना क्या है? These are the various things for strategic formulation. When we have developed already the formulated strategy, we have to implement the strategies. Implement. कुछ बनाएंगे तब तो उसको लॉन्च करेंगे. तो implement strategies. अब implement strategies, whatever. Implement strategies. maybe possible we develop certain projects or procedures, resource allocation, procedure, resource allocations, or structural or behavioral inputs, structural and behavioral functions, inputs, whatever, or operational implementations. These are the various things, whatever, operational implementations. These are the various things for the implementation of strategies. And then these are models, and then accordingly we have developed a strategic evaluation. This is the strategic evaluation. Without evaluation, nothing is to be stabilized. So, in the model of strategic management, we have to establish strategic intent, then we can formulate the strategy, then implement the strategies, and then status. Or all the things, if you have to look after this, and this. It is known as, already discussed, strategic management. These all four things together. So, what the main frame was to be there? Because in the model of strategic management, in the previous model, we have already the same thing was to be there. Now, this is the structured model which is to be taken in the field of the business standards and the business models. Because in the strategic management, strategic control, strategic evaluation is to be there. Control, you can say now someone told you what is the strategic control was there. In the strategic management, strategic values, we have to put down, because the main thing, we have to develop first strategic intent very clear, and then according to them. So, in the comprising method, in the comprising process, if you have to look after what are the things to be, model of strategic management, there are four fundamental things, that is establish strategic intent first, then accordingly we have to formulate our business strategies, then according to business strategies, we have to implement the strategies and see down the results, if everything is to be there, because phase by phase, we have to take the evaluation, and then after this whole process is known as a strategic management control. Now this is the overall process. These are different models. We have already the primary model and the secondary model, and even this is the practical models to be there in the business strategy models. And its impact on strategic management. We have been already discussed about the strategy or strategic management. Now, what is the globalization? Globalization is a process by which the people of the world are united into a single strategy. The main thing of this process is combination of economic, technological, socio-cultural and political forces. That means we have to use certain principles to be there, like economic. Then we have discussed about socio-cultural, and then political forces. These are the technological you can add up, technological. So the main thing is, what is globalized? Basically globalization is a process. When we are discussing about the globalization, if I am residing in BBD premises, right, either we are staying in BBD premises, so for us, we never go anywhere is together outside outside of this premises. Then in that condition, we can say from this place to that place, moving for certain growth, certain transactions. This is like a globalization. This is a rough definition, like a layman ke liye, whatever we have done. Now, whenever we are developing any type of strategy, any type of policy, it should be not accepted here only, but it should be accepted at the other points also. We have already discussed what is strategy. Strategy is basically a framework for our vision, establishment. For that, we have developed our objectives. We have certain mission. This type of things is to be there. So in the globalization process, whenever we are discussing, this is the process. So a lot of things can be carried out, because in the globalization, there are certain parameters, certain features is to be there. Like the first is goods and services. Goods and services. Experts treat this as a exports and import as a proportion of national income. Goods and services increase it, because globalization, for what? We have to globalize our market, our traditions, our values from this place to other place, like whole world is our family like. And whatever the business we are carried out here, we can be carried out somewhere else. Many possible certain rules, regulations, nomenclatures may be different. But whenever we have to reach down this type of process, globalization, so this time we can do. Here we are impact, or we can say impact or issues, like we will also discuss some issues, what the thing can be carried out. So first is what is the features of the globalization? The first, goods and services increasement, export and import, we have to increase the things. Second, human resources. Both inward and outward. And inward, that means I think you will remember that in the lockdown, whatever the labor already working in different areas, they just migrated from that place to their native place, or from native place to some other places to be there. So when the globalization take place, this is the condition will be different. But you just think of, if you are doing your business at your home but not getting that type of amount or that type of income which is to be required, or you want to grow growth. So to addition that growth, you have to migrate it from this place to that place, or that place to that place, or that place to some other places to be there. A same process to be there. Someone is to be coming down to your place, accordingly you have to get it. So this is the third thing is capital. Capital is basically the amount for which the business unit is to be started. It is again the inward and outward approach was there, because direct investment as a proportion of situational conditions to be there. And fourth is technology. Whatever the technology we are using, others are also using the same technology maybe, or they are improved technologies to be there. That's why we are going there. So you can say down, if we are using this type of pen, if other are manufactured same pen is to be there with a cheaper cost, because if you go from this place to that place. I आपको एक general छोटा सा example दे देता हूँ. Recently, one of my friend interested to purchase an AC. He told me कि Dr. Surendra, you just call करो और पता करो कि क्या अच्छा AC हमको लखनऊ में मिल सकता है. I just asked him, sir ये बताइए आपको AC कहाँ के लिए चाहिए? He told that he want the AC for Gorakhpur, or he required around 4 ACs to be there. Now, I am sitting in Lucknow. This is my place. This is Gorakhpur. Particular for this business, this is like a globalization from ये business हम उठा करके वहाँ देना है उनको, जैसा उनकी requirement है. I just told him कि भाई साहब, it's to be better that you have to go for the local market and then take the product from that place is to be there, because that will be cheaper. If you transport these goods from Lucknow to that particular place, it will be take up so many taxes, conveyance, octroi, whatever. That means if you will get down this product, maybe possibly in Lucknow this product will cost around 20,000 rupees, or you will get down this product here at 21,000 rupees, maybe, because not a single company will you keep their own paper from their own pockets to be there. But when you purchase this product and transfer the product to this place to that place, you can add certain amount is to be there. Plus, the vendor who provide these goods here will not give this type of services which is to be provided at the local level here, right? So again, the cost may be 21,000, but you will not get that type of benefit which you can get down here. I mean to say, मतलब अपना यही है कि why we have to go for the local to vocal, or we can say for the globalization purpose. जब हम अपने प्रोडक्ट जैसा ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट दूसरी जगह पहुंचाते हैं और वहां की लोकल मार्केट से उस प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट को कॉम्पिटिटिव कर देते हैं और हमारी क्वालिटी एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल HR सिस्टम्स ये उनके पैरेलल आ जाता है, देन ओनली ये चीजें हमारी एक्सेप्टेंस में आ जाती हैं। और एक्सेप्टेंस अगर आती है देन ओनली वी कैन से कि हम एक ग्लोबलाइजेशन मिशन की तरफ जाते हैं। नाउ द मेन थिंग वाज टू बी देयर बिकॉज while in globalization in increasing degrees of combinations, because certain things is to be there. What the things was there? Because in the globalization process, some technical associations, business associations, and other things can be stabilized. Because in India, you have to know there's a word of franchisee. What is a franchisee? Franchisee, there are two things. In Lucknow, there's a unit of Telco. Everyone knows about. What they do? They have only the assembling unit. Assembling means every part, what is truck assembly unit was to be there. So each and every ready to assemble goods reached here, they just assemble, मशीन कस देते हैं और ट्रक तैयार हो जाता है। अगर आप इनसे कहिए कि आप इंजन बना दीजिए, इसके पार्ट्स बना दीजिए, वो ये चीज कभी नहीं बनाएंगे और ना तो उसको एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। So in the globalization process में this is a problem, we got type of accessibility we have to give down, because in the globalization we are using on the technological front, human resources front, we have export, import, migration from one place to labors या वहां से यहाँ। Now, how the condition will come down and what is the strategic issues will come down in the process of globalization? Because strategic issues and impact of globalization, the strategic issues we have to go on. So there are certain issues can be come down, like technological issues. We are ready to give our services, but whenever is to be required, we surely down. You have to pay the charges because technology advancement is to be there. This thing can be come down. Then, because customizations was there, and this all. Now, what is the impact? Because we have discussed about the impact is to be there. So the first impact is economical impact. Economical impact. Economical. Globalization has economic importance in the terms of import, export and foreign currencies. Import, export and foreign currencies. Foreign currencies, how is it to come down? By values of FDI, foreign direct investment. The unit will be come down. They have started the business in our unit, and then hire the person here or develop the business. So economic, this to be there. Particular, if you have to look after the lockdown or during the lockdown, you have seen that a lot of things is to be there, like work from home. This technique can be. So, like in IT business, in that this can be carried out in a very well formed way. Expert will be set down in some other country and leading the other countries. So, economic importance, no need of the migrant from this place to that place. You have to only migrate the brain with the technological advancement, and then the technological advancement is carried out. Our cost of production may be downwards, because whatever the product we got it, एक पेन भी हम बनाते हैं जिसमें हर उस कॉस्ट को ऐड कर देते हैं जो इसमें यूज होती है। इवन हम जो अपने ऑफिस में बैठ करके चाय पीते हैं, कॉफी पीते हैं, उसका कॉस्ट इसके अंदर जुड़ा होता है, बिकॉज दैट इज अ administrative expenses to be there. So this is the impact, the economical impact is to be there, because our costing will be reduced. We can get down a very good responses to be there. We can grow. Second, financial impact. Financial impact. In the financial impact, globalization has two terms. An organization can put its money where it finds the money being more productive value. And an organization can raise finance level from countries where it's developed. जितना पैसा हमारे पास है हम उसको कहीं और भी यूज कर सकते हैं। जब हमारे खर्चे कम होंगे, एक्सपेंसेस कम होंगे, हम अपने पास बचाएंगे और उसको यूज कर सकते हैं, डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं, अपने बिजनेस को यूज कर सकते हैं। दिस आर देन टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट। टेक्नोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट, this you can see down day by day. If you are using the smartphone, we have changes in the version form. Like today's version A, next day B, then T, Jolly Bean, then Android, a lot of versions to be come down. Same thing in Windows. Why they are doing these things to be there? Because day by day, as per the demand, as per the need, we have taken up the advancement technologies. Or it's not possible by us to supply by the single window in this competitive environment. So we have to go for the associations, we have to go for the globalization, we have to reach the other places was there, and then accordingly we have to carry on. So technological impact of globalization in the form of availability of technology from other countries in the three forms: import of technology, technological collaboration, and joint venture. Technological collaboration, joint ventures we have to take, because strategic alliance is to be there. We have to have the technology, manufacturing the product by which new innovation creation हमें नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Then import of technology, we can import the technology, pay some amount, and then accordingly we have to train. So R&D, research and development, we have not expenses on that is to be there. A lot of companies in India and abroad, they are doing this type of activities, prepare the product, sell in the market, again they have to restart the new technologies development has to be there. Then competitive impact. Competitive. In today's world, everyone wants to deal with all types of competitions. Everyone. They just want to, because for survival of that. So competitive advantage of the globalization is more significantly in the globalized era, and it is to be retained always to be there. But how the competitive impact can be carried out in the strategic issues? In the competitive impact, if we have the money, by financial availability is to be there, by the values is to be, then our profit is to be increased. So definitely our competition approach is to be, or in the competitive approach we can be good enough. Then socio-cultural impact. Socio-cultural impact. Socio-cultural impact. Towards the side of globalization. इसको एक सिंपल वे में ऐसा समझ लें कि जब भी कभी कोई अचानक हमने किसी कॉलेज में या स्कूल कहीं भी एडमिशन लेते हैं और हम क्लास में पहुंचते हैं और वहां पे पहुंच करके हम बात कर रहे हैं आफ्टर 10+2 की, when you are shifted from college to some technical education to be there. All persons, it's not necessary that they belong to the same district, same state. Maybe possible one is from the other state, sometimes from the different state, or now you have to work in that method. And we know the traditions to be there. We know our traditions, our values. Like in army, if you have to, army is the same things to be there. They are celebrated all the festivals, all the movement together outside of their own state, religion, and cost to be there. Like we have to discuss about the team. Like in team, the same process to be carried out. Here, this the competitive impact will be come down in the terms of team management. Competition तभी आप लेते हैं group में when we have to carry it out in the forms of the team management development. But in the socio-cultural visionary approach was there and implications is to be there. And in the globalization, bring the socio-called modernity is to be there. Because in the modern approach, in the modern traditions is to be there, the whole thing should be carried out. And accordingly, this globalization is basically, you can say the challenges was there because in the competitive impact, a lot of competition can be carried out also due to the financial and technological competition to be there. But whenever we have socio-cultural, we know our traditions. Then after, when we stayed from this place to that place, we came to know their traditions also. According to traditions, we have developed certain products and certain values to be there. And then accordingly, we have to increase our economical impact. Economics is definitely we have to come down with a break-even analysis like that. कि हम self-sufficient हो गए और then after as and when the monetary value can be carried out, then we quantified because materialistic and non-materialistic two types of approaches to be there. In the globalization form, we increase both the values, materialistic approach also and the non-materialistic approach. Non-materialistic approach is like socio-cultural impact, competitive impact, this type. So we have to increasing in that form is to be. And as and when this type of clarity is to be there, this type of economical importance, this type of clearance was there. So accordingly, we have developed that type of strategies. So in the strategic management, in the strategic formation, globalization played a vital role in organization settlement and organization establishment. In the organization establishment, because economic impact play everywhere. Socio-cultural maybe nowadays it's play more vital role is to be there because day by day we have to go upward is to be like export import. If we don't know about the traditions and economic of that particular country or that particular place, we cannot develop a good relationship or because relationship marketing carried out nowadays. This may be the earlier part also, but now it is in the marketing process, it gives maximum numbers nowadays. We have to go into that place. I will just भी आपको मैंने एग्जांपल दिया मेरे फ्रेंड ने फोन किया कि भाई मुझे एसी चाहिए लखनऊ में फोन किया उसने मुझे रिगार्डिंग दैट प्लेस पे क्या मतलब था उनका बिकॉज हमसे उनका अच्छा रिलेशन बना और ही नोज कि मैं उन्हें एक अच्छी सप्लाई बता सकता हूँ एक अच्छी वेंडर बता सकता हूँ बाय विच उनको दे दिया जाए सेम थिंग इफ आई एम अ बिजनेसमैन और आई हैव गिवन दैट टाइप ऑफ सर्विसेज एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ सर्विस प्रोडक्ट इज टू बी देयर तो डेफिनेटली द अदर विल कॉल मी एनीवेयर यू हैव टू गो डाउन डेफिनेटली ही विल कॉल मी now I need this type of things. Can you provide? If I will just deny, then only they will go for the other facility. The strategical impact, strategical value, say that कि whatever the business we are carried out in the globalization from this place to other, because whole world is our family now in the globalized environment, and whatever the business we are carried out, we have to go carried out. That business should be there, but their tradition will be different, their values will be different, their financial background, their rules and regulations, their laws, that are totally different. So, in the carrying out that things, we have to look after each and everything. If we are not economically sound, we should wait. We can take up some joint venture, we can some franchisee business like that type of activity we can carry out. Because strategy will be developed only after seeing ourselves. हम आज क्या हैं? And what we want to become, vision, because strategies totally depend on our vision. हमें क्या बनना है after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. Then accordingly we have to plan and then we have to discuss the approaches to it. Because in as and when this thing can be carried out, we will get down our best result is to be there. And as the technology advancement was there, we will be take care each and every aspect, every fundamental values is to be there. So the impact of globalization, if you have to look after, so globalization on different issues to be there, because impact globalization plays a vital role in the business environment, business development, in all the traditions to be there, like economical, socio-cultural, financial, technical, and the competitive edge used to be there. Each and everything increased day by day if we develop that type of strategy. Because still, I'm not discussing anything about what type of strategy, what type of thing, because a lot of business strategies, a lot of developing strategies can be carried out. Here, we are discussing how we have to carry out each and every, because globalization is a structural entity and a structural need in today's business environment. With this globalization approach, we can be developed every state of the life in a very easy and valuable formation. And as and when the globalization takes place, we will not even stabilize ourselves on the financial ground, even we can stabilize ourselves on the technological also, as well as we can know the economic. We have to know the this is the competitive impact also. As and when the competitive impact was there, definitely we have been carried out. Now, a simple. Whatever the companies that operate internationally, that can earn a greater return from their unique competencies. That's why we should go for the global. Then that company also realize location advantage by dispersing different value creation activities to those locations where they can be performed most efficiently. And beside this, whatever the company go the globalization, they come down the experience curve faster than the competitors, thereby offering more competitive products to the consumer on the need basis. And this is true that we should go for the globalization, we should go for the global business, because unique competencies will be there, location advantages are there, and experience curve will be there. So accordingly, we have to take care this type of globalization impact is to be taken care.